So in this video, you'll learn how to change the date and time of a photo on your Samsung Galaxy A36, A26 and A56. So the first step is to open the gallery app and then choose the image you want to change the date and time for. So it can be an image, it can be a video, it's completely up to you. And then once you've selected the item, you want to tap on the three dots in the top right corner and choose details. Once you're in the photo details section, you can see the current date and time of when that photo was taken. So to change it, just tap on edit, and then under edit, look for the current date and time, which is at the very top, and tap on it once to access the editing menu. From here, you have date and you have time. So simply go through the options and select the date and time that you would apply to the image. So select your date and then select your time. And then once you've made your choice, just tap on done. And then remember to tap on save to apply the changes. And as you can see, the date and time for that image has been changed successfully. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.